Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up with you guys? It's been a while since I popped up on here and did a hair review. No, I don't think it's been that long, but y'all get the point, okay? It's 2018, a new year, so I gotta bring in some new reviews. Anyway, if you are new to my page, please like, subscribe, and also click that bell to be notified every time I post a video. I'm sorry if I sound a little manly right now, but I have a cold, and that story. What's up with people calling me? Excuse me. Alright. Let's get back to the video. Today's video is all about the hair. What was I saying? Oh mon dieu. Okay, today's video is all about the hair. The hair. I was sent this hair by a company called Julia Hair. And for Amazon to start selling hair, I was like, really? I was really shocked, okay? I was very shocked that Amazon is now selling hair. Like, I had never ever seen something like this. With this video, I kind of wanted to make it like a tutorial slash a review, which you guys are watching right now. I wanted to come on here and talk about this hair instead of just, you know, blah 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 about the tutorial. If you guys watch my tutorial, the same step I'm using in this tutorial right now, I've used it in previous tutorials about making wigs. If you want me to like give you guys like a one-on-one tutorial, step-by-step thing, I would be glad to do that. But anyway, I took this hair with me to Atlanta. I spent New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, New Year's weekend with this hair. So we had like a bonding moment, one-on-one type of thing, and I learned a couple things about this hair. One thing I did learn was this hair doesn't shed as much as most hair does, and it's Jerry curls, okay? Jerry curls for me means you have to take care of it pretty well. Like, you can't just let Jerry curls just put it on your hair and go. Jerry curls is just like natural hair. I had to get my deep conditioner and spray my hair and put some conditioner in there to get the curls bouncing and how I want the curls to look. As far as the hair, the only problem that I did have with the hair was finding out which conditioner goes well with the hair. So far I've been using my Pantene Gold Series Hydrating Buttercream Conditioner. It looks like this for natural hair. If you're a natural hair Lista, you know what this is. I use this for my natural curls, and I also use this for this hair. And some bundles don't really react with natural hair product, so I was kind of skeptical. So when I used this on my hair, the curls were beautiful, the curls were bouncing. Girl, we looked like we had hair. This was my hair. Clearly it is my hair. It's just off of somebody else's head, but it's on my head now, so it's my hair. The shedding with this hair, I didn't really experience a lot of shedding. Of course, natural hair shed, so you will experience shedding regardless if you buy high quality hair. One thing I would say about this hair would be, you just have to learn how to take care of it, honestly. You can't just expect the hair to look flawless without you taking care of it. If you want to rock it curly, you can. It's natural hair, well, not natural hair. It's Jerry curls. Jerry curls or tight curls. So if you know how to take care of your natural hair, I'm sure you can take care of this hair because it's Jerry curls. You can also straighten this hair. This hair is beautiful. I love the texture. I love the texture. Of course, it's 22 inch with a 12 inch frontal, which I had to cut because a 22 inch with a 12 inch frontal, it doesn't look right. So if you are the type of person who likes long hair, I wouldn't recommend you to go with a 12 inch frontal because it will look pretty bad. I mean, for me, it looked bad. I'm pretty picky on how I like my bundles to look on my head. I don't like that different length that people do with their bundles. I like them to be even now. So if I do want to change up the style will be beautiful when I do decide to cut it. So yeah, the company was great. It's an Amazon company, y'all. Like, Amazon is coming through. Like, I was really shocked when I heard it was an Amazon company. I said, girl, I have never ever heard of something like this. But the hair is beautiful. It's affordable, which was one thing that I noticed when I did look through the website. They have other type of hair. They have Malaysian, Brazilian straights, you know, all kinds of hair texture, whatever hair you like, curly, straight, whatever it is you like, they have. Okay, they have. As far as like the tutorial, I hope you guys are liking this tutorial, but I really just want to come on here and also, you know, give you guys a review on the hair, because I know some people like to hear reviews better than tutorials. The hair, if I could rate the hair from a scale from 1 to 10, I would definitely give this hair an 8. It's beautiful hair. I know I say this about every hair that I receive, but this hair is really beautiful. Like, I'm not big on curly hair. My face fits a lot better with straight hair, but this hair, y'all, this hair is amazing. This hair gave me a good new year. I like this hair. This hair is beautiful. I did hot glue this hair. When I hot glue my wigs, it lasts me for about 3 months. And it's easy for me to just peel off and do a different style with it. So I don't really like to sew in my wigs, because I'm just impatient when it comes to sewing in my wigs. Right now the hair is kind of wet because I did spray some water on it, and I did put in this hydrating buttercream conditioner curl infuser thing, yeah, on it. So it's getting to its like puffiness, kind of like a wash and go look. So I'm kind of hoping that it looks cute, because it does look cute when I do the wash and go. And yeah, I would definitely tell you guys to give this company a try, Julia Hair. I'm sure you guys have heard them from many other YouTubers that have done reviews on them, and I don't have anything bad to say about Julia Hair. Their shipping was great. If you have any problem, you email the company, they respond back on time, and they're very, very affordable. And if you like it on me, and you feel like your head is like mine, and you don't know if it will look cute on you because you have a round face like mine, I like this hair. This hair is cute. Like, I really do. I like how natural it looks. Of course, I do have to like plug this part out, and my baby hair is not as laid as it's supposed to be. It's cute. Like, I like it on with this one. I feel like curly hair looks a lot better when it's like this short. It looks a lot natural on me when it's this short. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you guys have any question, please leave your comments down below or follow me on my social media. And yeah, Happy New Year's. Girl, you are past New Year's. We're still in January though. We're still in January. So Happy New Year's, and have a blessed one. Bye guys.